All right, I'm here at one of these apartment high-rise buildings over here on Roosevelt Island. I'm here with my crosswalk buddy, Felicia.
Shout out.
She over here. We managed to convince the people downstairs to let us have a key. We're gonna go check out this one-bedroom apartment here on Roosevelt Island and see what all the hype is about. Hold on. Get the recording in. All right, here we go. We come into the front door and we have a closet right here. And they love talking about how New York City apartments don't have closets there. So this one has a little closet right here off the door. And then behind here, you got your little peephole. And your what is that, the electric box? The apartment comes with it comes with an LG fridge with a bottom freezer. Ooh, yes. Got your freezer on the bottom. And then you have your microwave and looks like this is a gas apartment.
Oh my gosh, girl, you gotta see this.
It's a gas apartment. Here's the little island, your sink. Oh, there we go. You got your sink, your island right there. This is your living room. I'm coming. This is your living room. There's a little cable thing right there. And when you look at this view, you get the whole view of, that is what's his name? Ed Koch Bridge? Ed Koch?
Oh, Ed Koch.
Ed Koch Bridge right there. And is that what that is? Yes, because there's the Roosevelt tram where I went on the tram yesterday. That's where you get on at right there. It's all right here from your living room window. That is awesome. You come around the corner, there's another closet here with your washer and dryer in unit. That is nice. This is just your regular old bathroom. Looks like white, like not subway tile, they're not that small. But you got looks like a marble counter for your sink. And you've got a very large mirror here. Okay, there's the bathroom. I believe this is a one bedroom, one bathroom. Now this is your other closet. That makes what, two? That makes two closets. Because the laundry room isn't really a closet, but this makes the second closet in this place. Very nice. And this is your bedroom. It's not that big, but you really don't need have a whole bunch of stuff. If you're moving to New York, you need to have a minimalistic lifestyle, which is the exact polar opposite of my lifestyle and my 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house in Texas. But if you look out the window here, you still get your beautiful view. You got a view of the water. Remember, that is Long Island City on that side. And Manhattan side is on the other side of the street, literally on the other side of the street. Take the tram over the water and you're in Manhattan. But it's a beautiful view. You got this large unit for air conditioning. Y'all, let's see if I can make it so I can get here sooner rather than later. Oh wait, and there's another closet on the other side. Now look, when I walked in, I showed you this closet. There's another closet on this side of the bedroom. These are both in the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Thank y'all for coming in here and looking with me. I did not know we were going to be able to get in here. Oh, look, there's storage here above the sink and a little cabinet here. There's a little bit of storage over here above the microwave and by the fridge and on top of the fridge. I didn't think we'd get in here, but we did, because I'm so sweet and nice, and my Texas charm got the man to let us in with a key. So we're about to end this video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little tour with me. And Felicia, that's Felicia right there, my crosswalk buddy that we've been sticking together since the crosswalk days. But thank y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this little tour. This is going to get me 5 million viewers on YouTube. Thank you. Bye-bye.